Good morning, Mary. Are you ready for the new menu training?
Yes, but I'm a little nervous. There are so many new dishes.
Don't worry. Let's start with the desserts. They're easier.
Okay, what's this one called?
It's called Chocolate Cloud. It has dark chocolate, cream, and raspberries.
Sounds delicious. How do I describe it to customers?
Just say it's rich, smooth, and has fresh berries on top.
Got it. What about this pasta dish?
That's garden pasta. It has tomatoes, basil, olive oil, and garlic.
Is it vegetarian?
Yes, completely. And we can add grilled chicken if they want.
Perfect. One more question. What if a customer asks about allergies?
Good question. Always check this card. It shows all allergens for each dish.
Oh, that's helpful. I feel more confident now.
Great. Let's practice with a pretend customer. I'll be the guest.
Okay. Good evening, sir. Can I recommend our new garden pasta?
Excellent. You're ready for tonight's service.